Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by making Edge ready. Open settings and update to the latest build so extensions run smoothly. Once done, open extensions and flip the Allow Extensions from Other Stores toggle. This lets Edge accept Chrome format extensions. Next, go to the Chrome Web Store in the address bar. You need the store interface to find what you want. Make sure you keep Edge open and signed into the profile where you want the extension installed. You search the Chrome Web Store for the extension and pick a matching result. Before you click Add to Chrome, scan permissions and reviews. This explains why the extension needs access and helps avoid risky installs. Then click Add to Chrome and confirm the permission dialog. Edge treats this like a native install. Once installed, the extension icon appears on the toolbar. Pin it for easy access, and make sure it's enabled in Edge Extensions so it runs immediately. You finish by configuring the extension. Open Extensions manage and set site access, options, and shortcuts to match your needs. If the extension misbehaves, disable other extensions to rule out conflicts, then reinstall the problem extension. This often fixes corruption. If issues persist, clear Edge's cache or create a new profile because corrupted profiles can block extensions. Finally, restart the browser to apply changes. If that doesn't help, check permissions again and contact the developer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.